Hello, welcome. My name is Danny with Broso Digital. I create Framer tutorials to help you with all your template needs. Also, I create templates for purchase along with custom Framer websites for all your business needs. In today's video, I will be elaborating on a previous video where I showed you how to add your custom domain to your Framer website. Now, in the previous tutorial, I did not have the paid, so I was only able to walk you through the free custom domain. Today, I will go ahead and show you how to actually add your custom domain to your Framer site. Before I continue, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Without any further ado, let's get started. So here I have one of my templates on the screen. This is basically what you will see once you open your Framer template. It's just your regular editing screen where you can go ahead and customize your Framer template. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top right here. You're going to click on the settings. This is where you can, add all the different details to your sites. You want to go to the top left here and click on domain. So this is the screen you're going to have, and this is where you will be able to add your free custom domain or your actual purchase domain that you bought through a Namecheap, GoDaddy, whoever you may have used. Before I get started, I had a question on the previous video, so let me try to address that. So here you see these are the different plans that you have available. It is an option to use the more affordable plan, which is the mini, which comes at $5 a month, billed yearly, which I believe is $60 if my math is correct. Or if you want to go month to month, it'll be $10 a month. And with this plan, you can add your custom domain, but the catch is you can only have a home page and a 404 page. If you have a multiple page website, or if you have even CMS, you will need one of these plans. And here you can see the basic and the pro. And what, what plan you would need depends on what your needs are, basically. So you can take a look here and you can determine which is the right plan for you. But the good news is if you have a landing page or a one-page website, you definitely can add your custom domain on the more affordable mini plan. Okay, so now moving forward, go back here to the domains. So on the previous video, I showed you how to add the free domain. So let me just run through that real quick for those of you who haven't seen it. If you'd like to see it, please go down below. I'll have a link to all my playlists where you can see all my videos. But in the meantime, all you would do is add whatever name you want here. And as long as it's available, once you add it here, you click on the check, and then it would be whatever your name you chose, .framer.website. Now, as you can see here, all your templates come with this generic randomly generated URL, which is great to get you up and running. You can share with friends, family, or clients, and they can see these online live, and your client can approve any changes you have. Even still, I would always at least opt for the free custom site. Website.framer.website looks a lot better than whatever your randomly generated site would be. It's just a cleaner, more professional look. Once you're ready, though, and your client or yourself wants to add their domain, then this is what you will do. So you're going to click on connect the domain and you're going to add your site. So my site is baroso.store. And I know that's available because I already did it. Now here, I've already done this. I'm already live. But when you do this, on this screen here, you're going to basically see this. This is going to pop up there. And this is basically telling you what you need to add to your DNS so that Framer can handle your URL. So if you look here, you have name, type, and value. Depending on your DNS provider, the structure might be a little different, but this is basically what you want to have. So you're going to have the A type, you're going to have two A types and one CNAME. The A's have the name of at, and the CNAME has the name of www, and the values are going to be these URLs. Okay, so I have Namecheap. So what you're going to do is, if you have Namecheap, you're going to go to your domain list in whoever else you might have. It'll be a very similar way to do it. Obviously, everything will look a little different, but you want to go to your domain. So if you have multiple domains, you're going to click on the one that you're trying to transfer. If you only have one, then obviously makes things a little easier. So here you're going to click on manage. Then you're going to want to go to advanced DNS, and this will take you to this window. So you want to go to where it says host records, and you want to add, here you see I've already added these. Okay, that's why I'm live, because this was already added. But for you, what you want to do here is you want to add 3 new records. And remember, you want 2 A's, and you want to scroll down, and you want 1 CNAME. Okay, so once you add those 3, the 2 A's, if you remember, is at, and the values for those A's are this. Here you can click on whatever you prefer. I just left it at automatic for all 3, as you can see here. And you're going to go down the list again, and you're going to select the 2 A's, select the 1 name record, fill in what Framer is asking you to fill. You can copy and paste it. And then once you are complete, you're going to just click here where it says save all changes, and that will automatically update all this. And then you're going to go back to this screen, and then here is where it will tell you pending until it's finally published, in which case you'll see a website is published and optimized. So if I click here, you can see now my template is actually live. So if you were to go visit Barroso.store, you will go ahead and you'll have access to this live site, which is a template that I have not yet finished. I'm in the process of finishing it. So it'll be coming to my store soon. But for now, you can see that it is live and it's good to go. So again, thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful and blessed day.